Jetson AGX Orin is NVIDIA's flagship edge computing platform, offering up to 275 TOPS of AI computing power, equipped with 32 divided by 64 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 204 GB per second of memory bandwidth. It can easily handle massive amounts of data, making it ideal for running generative AI applications. It supports running various large language models, visual language models, and visual transformer models locally without relying on cloud processing, ensuring data security. In terms of hardware, the AGX Orin board features a 40-pin GPIO interface, multiple USB interfaces, a DP interface, a 10-gigabit Ethernet interface, and a DC power interface. It also includes a micro card slot, physical buttons, a key expansion slot, a 16-channel MIPICSI interface, and an M.2 storage slot and a network card slot. It comes standard with a wireless network card, a metal chassis and a high-efficiency heatsink, supporting wide-voltage power supply. It can be widely used in high computing embedded scenarios such as autonomous driving, intelligent robots, edge AI servers, and industrial vision inspection, meeting the requirements for stable operation and efficient data processing in complex environments. Yahboom offers a variety of solid-state drive SSD configurations to choose from. The SSDs come pre-installed with the Ubuntu 22.04 system image, eliminating the need for complicated environment configuration steps. Simply set up SSD boot to experience a wealth of features without barriers. It supports optional 5-megapixel industrial-grade USB camera, which comfortably output 30 FPS frame rate, 105-degree field of view, and high-definition, distortion-free images. It supports optional AI large model voice module, which can realize efficient and smooth large model voice interaction.
I'm not in a good mood right now.
Today, the weather is sunny and the temperature is just right, perfect for outdoor activities.
Yahboom also provides a complete set of Jetson AGX Orin exclusive development materials, such as local large model deployment tutorials, which can realize various applications such as semantic understanding, voice interaction, text-to-image, image-to-text, video analysis, and visual positioning.
Hi Yahboom.
I am here.
I'm not in a good mood right now.
Let me tell you a joke. A match felt an itch on his head, scratched it, and then caught fire. I hope it cheers you up.
Hi Yahboom.
I am here.
Generate an image of a little girl interact with a robot dog.
Generating an image of it.
Hi Yahboom.
I am here.
Describe the signs you see.
I saw a small tree, the Raymond, a yellow car, and a stop traffic sign. A soccer ball was on top of a gray building.
Hi Yahboom.
I am here.
Take a look at your surroundings and then output the coordinates of the apple to me.
The enhanced computing power of AGX Orin enables generative AI-powered interactive experiences.
Hi Yahboom.
I am here.
Tell me a fairy tale about a robot living in the deep sea, complete with pictures and text.
Deep in the ocean, there lived a robot near a coral reef. It loved collecting shimmering seashells and would swim around every day, admiring the light and shadows in the water.
Hi Yahboom.
I am here.
Recommend a delicious dinner.
Steamed grouper with light soy and ginger. Ingredients: 1 whole grouper, 500 green, cleaned and scaled.
Including video generation and homework assistance. In addition, Yahboom has carefully prepared AI vision cases such as YOLOV11, DeepStream, and MediaPipe for you, as well as ROS2 basic tutorials essential for robot development. Our technical team will continue to update cutting-edge cases and provide you with long-term technical support services.